Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video guys, I am super excited because today I want to show you guys my Amazon top favorites, and basically I've been using these products ever since I bought them obviously, and all the products that I will be mentioning today I've already used them and I already know how it works, and I feel very confident to show you guys these Amazon products because I think that it's going to help you in a way to stay organized, or maybe things that you thought you didn't really need but you actually do. So I am super excited to start this video, my loves. So before we start this video, I just want to quickly tell you guys that we are almost to 500 subscribers, and I am just beyond excited and beyond grateful to be in this platform and basically show you guys my makeup tutorial, makeup tips, and all of that beauty stuff related. So thank you guys for all the love and support that you guys are giving me. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Irene, but here on my YouTube channel I go by Msbeautyinspire. So if you want to join this channel, just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. But if you're already subscribed, my loves, welcome back. I'm happy to see everyone here. So with that being said, my loves, let's just go ahead and start this video. All right guys, so I want to quickly go over the makeup organized stuff, or beauty stuff I should say. So first thing first is I'm going to show you guys what I got on Amazon that has been really helpful, and it's a little bit heavy. It's this baby right here. This is a makeup organizer drawer. So I really love this baby. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down because it is very heavy since I already have a lot of the stuff inside. I'm gonna quickly look on my phone and tell you guys the information about it and stuff like that. So this is not glass, even though it looks like glass. It's acrylic, but you could store any makeup related, or you could store any jewelry, whatever you want. And what I really love about this is that it's not stuck to each other. You could separate it and basically have it however you want. So for example, you could have this in one place and this in the other place, but me personally I like to have it like this. So what I have on my drawer is I have my nail polish, and then right here I have all my scrunchies. So you could definitely store anything that you wish in this drawer. It is not too small. If you been wanting to store some of your beauty products, and if your beauty products are all over the place, I think that getting this drawer, it's essential. I think for the price, it's not too expensive, it's not cheap, so it's in between. So that's why I went ahead and bought this. All right, so moving on, I went ahead and also bought this makeup organizer bag. I love that it is transparent, and I could definitely see what I have inside, what I'm missing. So this makeup bag is very cute. It is big, so that way you could just put a bunch of stuff in here. This is very good if you're looking to travel and you want to put your most used makeup. This is very good. But for me, I put all my toenails, all my manicure, pedicure stuff in here. So I really love this one because if I open it up, the first thing you're gonna see is this baby right here. So if you were to put your makeup, you were to place your makeup brushes right here, but I use this bag as a manicure pedicure bag. So I have all my tools right here, and then if I open the second bag, this is how it looks. So this could basically if you start putting a lot of stuff, it's going to basically stretch. But for right now, I don't have a lot of stuff, so that's why it's like a little bit squishy. And here, if you want to place other stuff like your sponges or stuff like that, there's another small bag over here, so you can stuff more stuff. And yeah guys, I really love this bag, mainly because it's big enough for me to stuff my manicure stuff, and it's also transparent, and you could definitely easily grab it on the go. So I really recommend this bag if you're looking for a makeup organizer bag. This is the one. Or if you want to travel and you want to bring your makeup with you, this bag, it's the one, guys. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to other non-makeup related stuff. So me in the morning, I love me a coffee. I also love to drink tea, and sometimes I don't want to damage my makeup desk, and so I went ahead and bought these babies right here. These are basically a coffee mat. So for example, this will basically secure your desk. The hot mug won't damage your desk, especially wood desks that are very fragile. So if you have like a hot coffee or hot tea on your mug, just grab this mat and place it on your desk and you will be good to go. So these are very essential for me because sometimes I forget and I tend to just put my mug in my desk, and next thing you know, I'm like, oh shoot, I need to be careful. So if you want to protect your desk or any furniture that you have, I think that this baby are a must. But I also went ahead and bought this mug right here. This mug holds up to 7.4 ounces of liquid. So what I really love about this is that, first of all, it's a glass mug, and I just love that because whenever I put my tea or my coffee, it's just nice to see your coffee in there. And I also, what is really helpful with this mug is that let's say if you don't have this, if you buy this baby, you basically won't be needing this because this mug has two walls. Hopefully you guys could see it. So if you see, like, this has like another mug glass inside, and the outer side glass helps protect the outside wall not to get too hot. So if you pour your coffee in here, you could grab it like this because you're not gonna get burned. So I really love this mug just for that reason. And it's very cute too. It's very small, not too big, and most importantly, it is not heavy. So you could definitely hold this in your hand without having to worry how heavy it is, because there's mugs that are super heavy. I've had one before, even though it was super cute, but it was super heavy, guys. In my opinion, this one has everything. It is safe, it is lightweight, and it is very beautiful. So if you are looking for a glass mug, I recommend this one. And I also went ahead and bought this metallic straws, and the reason why is because since I started doing my makeup and sometimes I don't want to drink from a glass cup, I bought this metal straws to basically help me drink my water, drink my juice, and most importantly, they are metallic, so you could reuse them, wash them. It comes with a straw cleaning brush, so that is super good. And it also comes with this silicone tip, so that way you don't feel the metal hitting your teeth. So I really love this straws. It comes with different sizes as well, different angles. So this baby are a must if you're looking for a straw. And I've been trying definitely not to use plastic straw anymore. So this baby is definitely a must if you are looking for a straw. I really love them very much. All right guys, so moving on, I want to show you guys why I got this lunch bag right here. And let me tell you guys, this, I never seen a beautiful, lovely lunch bag like this one on Amazon. What got me into buying this lunch bag is that it looks like a purse, and it just looks so pretty, guys, and it is super duper affordable. And again, I just love it so much. This lunch bag is not small, it's not too big. I think that this is the perfect size. So if I go ahead and open it up, as you guys can see inside of it, it has like an aluminum texture inside, and then you have another pocket to place anything extra. So I think that this lunch bag, it is very cute. Let's say that you don't want to take any extra bags, You could place other stuff in here. I like to place my phone. This lunch bag I really recommend because it is super cute. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. Okay guys, so another thing I want to show you is this baby right here. You guys are wondering what the heck is that? So this is the sewing kit. I think that this kit is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, maybe it comes with the family because my mom also always has this. She always wants to make sure to have this. She buys her in the 99-cent store, and she always likes to keep this in her drawers, so that way if there's anything that needs to be fixed, like your dress, buttons, or stuff like that, she always has this as an emergency. And when I was younger, she taught me how to sew, and so thanks to my mommy, so I could fix my shirt if one of the buttons come out or if it ripped or something. So I really like to have this as an emergency. You get all the colors right here. Mainly I use white and black. You get a scissor. Overall, this sewing kit is super nice, and if you're finished using it, you could just zip it up and everything is just inside this bag, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this kit. This is also another must-have. I think that these clip hangers are absolutely a must if you have a lot of skirts, if you have like a lot of pants that you don't want to fold and you just want to place them in your closet. I think that this is really essential because you could just clip your clothes and put it in your closet. And what I like about this is that it moves around, so you could put it in any direction that you want. I don't recommend hanging anything heavy. You obviously want to hang something that is light. And this package comes with 12 clip hangers, and I'm just absolutely in love with these hangers because they really help me organize my closet, keep everything neat. Alright guys, so I have two other stuff that I want to share with you guys. Me and my boyfriend, it was already our 3-year anniversary, and I don't know, I just wanted to make something special for us to remember. So I went on Amazon. Every time I talk about it, I get all blushy and stuff. But anyways guys, I bought these flameless candles. Let me just open it up so I can show you. So with this box you get like 24 candles. So this is how it looks if I turn it on. Obviously I have a lot of lights going on, but if you guys could see inside, you see how realistic it looks. So imagine turning all of the lights. Like, I promise you guys, these candles look absolutely so beautiful. They look very realistic and they last all night, but you definitely want to turn it off after, you know, all the romantic is over, so that way it lasts you longer. But if you want to decorate something in Valentine's Day or any anniversary or stuff like that, I'm also using these candles to light up the Halloween living room in my parents. So you could use these candles in any type of party decoration. So yeah, that's one of the candles I bought for our anniversary, and it looked so pretty, so flawless. And I also went ahead and bought something that is inside this Amazon box. I kept this as a recycle box, so let's go ahead and open it up. So I went ahead and also bought this babies. If I could show you, look at this guys. Isn't it so beautiful? So again, if you want to just make something romantic and you want to do something special for your partner, either it's a he or a her, doesn't matter. The point is, if you like to decorate and you want to bring the mood a little bit, I definitely recommend this. So it came with 50 pieces of dark roses, and it also came with 44-pack heart balloons. So that was also a very cute. I also used the balloons to put all over the room, make it cute and very special for our anniversary. But yeah guys, that was my top favorite Amazon that I bought this year. And I also have a bunch of other stuff that I've recently bought and haven't really used, and I want to show you guys these products because I've already used them and I'm familiar and I know how they work, and so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you want to see more videos like this where I go ahead and just show you guys my Amazon products that I buy and why I buy them, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because it is the middle of the day and there's a bunch of noises outside, and obviously I don't want you guys to hear none of those noises because it is very annoying. But thank you guys so much if you made it to the end. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.